Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Arabic alphabet with Pesh from Alif to Zal. That means from Alif Pesh U to Zal Pesh Zu, Alif Pesh U or Hamza Pesh U to Zal Pesh Zu. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 13 and SW number 11. Lecture number 13 and SW number 11. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Pesh from Alif to Zal. So my dear students, let's start. Now look at the board. My dear students, we know that single Jabr, single Jer and single Pesh are called Harkat. This is single Jabr, this is called single J, and this is called single Pesh. Single Jabr, single J and single Pesh are called Harkat. The pronunciation of Harkat is to be done quickly or fast. So my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Pesh. And my dear students, this sign is called Pesh. This sign is called Pesh. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, look at the board. Here I have written 9 Arabic alphabet or letters. 9 Arabic alphabets or letters. We have to put a Pesh on every alphabet. My dear students, you know that Pesh always take place over the alphabet. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Alif. Alif Pesh U or Hamza Pesh U. Alif Pesh U or Hamza Pesh U. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Ba, and now it will be pronounced like that. Ba Pesh Bu. U Bu. Now I am keeping a Pesh over the Ta. Now it will be pronounced like that. Ta Pesh Tu. Ta Pesh Tu. U Bu Tu. Now you know that this alphabet is called Tha. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Tha, and it will be pronounced like that. Now Tha Pesh Thu. Tha Pesh Thu. U Bu Tu and Thu. Now you know that this alphabet is called Jim. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Jim, and you have to pronounce this one Jim Pesh Ju. Jim Pesh Ju. Now this alphabet is called Ha. Ha. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Ha, and you have to pronounce this one Ha Pesh Hu. Ha Pesh Hu. Now this is Kha. My dear students, we have said it before that this is Kha, not Kha. Kha. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Kha, and you have to pronounce this alphabet. Now Kha Pesh Khu. Kha Pesh Khu. Now this one is Dal. You know that. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Dal, and you have to pronounce now it Dal Pesh Du. Dal Pesh Du. Now this one is Zal. Zal. Now I am putting a Pesh over the Zal, and you have to pronounce this alphabet now Zal Pesh Zu. Zal Pesh Zu. Okay, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Pesh. My dear students, now all of you read with me one time, one more. Now everyone say with me. Alif Pesh U or Hamza Pesh U, Ba Pesh Bu, Ta Pesh Tu, Tha Pesh Thu, Jim Pesh Ju, Ha Pesh Hu, Kha Pesh Khu, Dal Pesh Du, Zal Pesh Zu, Zal Pesh Zu. My dear students, that's all for today. Today we have learned 9 Arabic alphabets or letters with Pesh. My dear students, look at the board. Today's our SW number 11. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home from Alif to Zal. Alif to Zal. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. You must submit your SW copy on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. No more today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.